Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to give you an update on the installation of streetlights on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now these streetlights are going in between Harborview and Yalos. Over 400 streetlights are going to be installed. Over 400. The National Works Agency, which is in charge of the project, is working with JPS, who is in charge of the streetlights, to install the lights. Now, straight ahead is one of the lights that have been installed. They started in Bull Bay, and they are going to be installing along the entire corridor. 17 kilometers of roadway from Harborview to Yalos. Now, this is what you like to see in Jamaica. Progress. So not only is the government building a highway, just look at this, it's still under construction, but you can see it, what it's going to look like. 4-lane dual carriageway. This is the kind of road you'd see in a first world country. Not only are they building the road to open up the entire eastern part of Jamaica, they're putting in streetlights. Now, this is excellent, because a lot of the roads, especially the highways, Highway 2000, they don't have streetlights. They don't have streetlights, and those are toll roads that make billions of dollars every year, because you pay toll along the road when you're using the road. This road is not a toll road. It's not a toll road. And the government is putting in streetlights. Excellent job. All right, so we're just going to go through an article giving you an update as to what's going on. Read the installation of the streetlights, the cost, and how long it will take. The National Works Agency, NWA, has commenced the multi-million-dollar lighting component of works along the roadway from Harborview, St. Andrew to Yalos in St. Thomas. The 17-kilometer stretch, which forms part of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Program, is being outfitted with some 400 light poles through a contract valued at just over $400 million. The project is being executed in partnership with the Jamaica Public Service Company. Manager, Communication and Customer Service at the NWA, Stephen Shaw, says that the erection of the poles form part of the final works being undertaken. It is expected that the installation of the poles will be completed by Christmas 2023. So in about 3 weeks. So we will keep you guys updated on this project, but this is definitely a move in the right direction for Jamaica. You love to see the progress going on all over the island. And I'm hoping, I'm not sure if anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. I'm assuming and hoping that they put in cameras along this roadway as well. And not just cameras to see the traffic on the road, cameras that can take pictures of the license plates, cameras that can take pictures of the drivers. So it will, some roads in Jamaica have those cameras. So if anybody knows if they plan to put in those kind of cameras on this roadway, leave a comment in the section below. And also, guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about the installation of these streetlights. All right, guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Enjoy the rest of the video as we give you a tour of this project. Now, this is the Bull Bay section of the highway. So that's where they have started to put in those streetlights. But the entire stretch of road, 17 kilometers from Harborview to Yalos, will get streetlights. All right, guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Have a good day.